Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into a few quests, well, one in particular, but on two different platforms. We have the Bedrock Bitcoin restaking quest, not campaign, on Bartio, Bera chain. So this will give you more interactions on the Bera chain testnet. We have one quest that it's the same thing, but on Cub quests, which used to be 0xhoneyjar, I believe. But this one requires a honeycomb NFT, which I don't know how to get one, but Intract has a quest that has a bunch of different tasks in it, and you will be able to get the same reward, which is this Diamond Paws NFT on their testnet. So it would be good to get some interaction on the Bera chain testnet and with this Bedrock platform, so this Bitcoin restaking platform. So before we get started in today's video, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like completing these tasks to claim Diamond Paw badge and earn 2 million diamonds and position yourself for potential future rewards. And on Intract, you have 26 days or so. I don't know when this video will come out, but in the next 30 days from October 21st. So hopefully you'll be able to get this done by then. But if not, you can check us out in the Discord. Link is in the description below. Let me pull up the Discord real quick. All right. So if you have any issues viewing any of these channels, please go to the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up, and you will be good to go. So yeah, a bunch of amazing channels, a lot of engagement. Thank you to everyone that is in there being active. I love you all. And to those of you who are new, welcome. And let us know if you have any questions, comments, need any help navigating this space. We got a lot of amazing people in the Discord. So let's get into it. So join Wandering Bera. Join us for an epic Bera adventure with top tier protocols, KodiakFi, Dolomite, 0xhoneyjar, Web3 Binance, BitGet Wallet. Complete tasks to claim your exclusive Diamond Paw badge. Ends November 18th. So visit their Bera testnet campaign for details. And we will go here, bada boom. First, you need to claim your faucet tokens at the bartio.faucet.bera chain, which we also have in the testnet faucets page on our Discord. So check it out. So just put your wallet in here, verify that you are a human, and you can get your tokens. So with that, we will go to Kodiak. Let's connect. So we need to buy wrapped Bitcoin with Bera at Kodiak. So that's the minimum amount, right? We're going to do that. Buy some wrapped Bitcoin. All right, we want that much. So, okay, so it's just over 1 Bera. We're going to do 2. We'll do 5. We'll swap. Let's give it a little swap. And we'll confirm this. So next up, we got to mint Uni Bitcoin on Bedrock. Right here. So the minimum amount is 0.0002. Let's see. Okay, we got our Bitcoin. So let's connect our wallet. Let's see. Hit the Rabby wallet. Okay. So we need minimum amount to mint. We'll double that. So we are going to mint some of this Uni Bitcoin. All right. So we approved. Now we stake. There you go. So we can verify this, and that should be green. And then verify this, that should be green. So you can also earn DeFi rewards. Stake to earn Eigen. Oh, nice. Okay, so add liquidity to wrap Bitcoin, Uni Bitcoin Island. So the minimum amount we need to stake is that much, 0.0001. So in Kodiak, we got to make sure that we still have some wrapped Bitcoin available too. So you don't want to stake all of it in one go. But what does that say? Let's see, 2. We do the max. Yeah. So make sure you have a little bit of each in here. And as long as you do the minimum, go a little more than the minimum amount, just so you don't get cut short on accident. Okay, approve Uni and wrapped Bitcoin. And then we can supply. Now we can confirm the supply. Okay, now let's verify. Yes. Now we open a borrow position on Dolomite. Have you ever seen the movie Dolomite? All right, let's go connect our wallet to the Rabby. And then we go to Bera chain right here. Make sure you change the network. And what we got to borrow? Uni Bitcoin. Where is the uni Bitcoin? Okay, so we need to deposit. And let's see if we can borrow some. I think we have to deposit some tokens on here first in order to borrow some. I think I have to add uni Bitcoin. Well, it did it for me. Okay, so that's cool. I guess if just follow those steps, if that works for you, then there you go. Great, there we go. Oh, follow them on Twitter, and then we should be able to claim our diamond paws. Diamond paws, yeah. So let's see what this cost us. I don't think it costs much. Is it a free claim? Probably. But yeah, there you go. A bunch of different things you can interact with on the Bera chain testnet. They have liquidity here in Kodiak Finance that we did earlier. They have the staking, which you can convert your Kodiak. Oh, something went wrong. Well, we'll just close out of there. You can come here to Bedrock and stake more. So let's earn DeFi rewards. Bedrock ecosystem. You can check out more right here when it loads. Also, let's check out the Dolomite page. And if you can, put some, I have some wrapped Bera in there. Yeah, and we'll deposit some honey in here too. So it's just interacting with different protocols on testnet will increase your chances. Also, like I said in the last Bera chain video, make sure your BGT is accumulating. If you don't know what that is, it's Bera governance token. BGT rewards, BGT at the BARTO, not the RTO. That was the first testnet. All right, agree. So we will check the Rabbi and then connect for free. Now we see our rewards, claim BGT. So I show you in one of the last Bera chain videos how to get that. So check it out. And here we go. We claimed. And also if you can come to the Cub quests, and you'll find other quests available. So don't feel like, right here, there's other quests that you can do. And they have these raffles that if you get those badges, you can be eligible to enter. So let's see, these start in a few days or in a week, a month. Oh, and this is already, I'm not eligible. Oh, well, you have to have these badges in order to participate. So a lot of them I haven't really done, but that's okay. It's all right. We move on to the next ones, but complete these and make sure you get your BGT rewards because this is going to be very important once you, damn, I can't even see how many I have. But it will definitely be important once the mainnet comes. Yeah, so you have 6 BGT. So get them up. And if you can get this amount over 100 in the honey wrapped Bera incentive pool, that would be great. So I appreciate you all. And don't forget, we have a Discord. Link is in the description below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.